My customer, they like this butter cookies so much. So these butter cookies, I always serve it with a cup of coffee. Once the customer buy a cup of coffee, I will serve it with one piece of cookie for free. So most of the customer, they like this cookie. They will always ask one more until even they buy a box. So that you see, I was putting in a box. So if the customer like it, he cannot manage to eat only two, he will buy like a box and then he will take it at home. Then they will share with the kid or the family. So always they like my cookie. So this cookie always on the top, because sometimes when you see how I make it very carefully and I use the good ingredient. I don't put too much things, only 5 ingredients. So I will share in my description the ingredient I used and the process of how to make these butter cookies. So these butter cookies, you can make it at home, you can make it for your shop, you can make it for your friend, your kid, everything, no problem. Because these cookies, it is so good, and the taste is amazing. So if you want to try it out, check my description. You will find the process and you will find the recipe. Then I will put on the baking sheet and then I will bake it on 200 degrees Celsius so that I can have the baked cookies. So this one I will make like 200 pieces so that the customer will have enough the cookies to get for everyone, for each coffee. So here I was arranging my cookies. It was already baked and it was ready to already cool down. So now it is ready to serve to the customer. So I will pack it in the box and then after I will keep it aside. Don't put this cookie in a fridge, only cooling place. So after packing them, I will cover it and then I will keep it in a cooling place so that there is no hot, there is no that much cold. So in the middle, so my cookies will keep the standard for crunchy, not like wet. So my cookie now is ready, so I will cover it later, then I will keep it aside. A customer come, I give one coffee and I give one cookie. Most of the customer, they like my cookie and always they come ask the cookie and they take it at home. You see they are packing the box, the full of cookies. So when they need a box, I will give it to them like one box full, and they will be so much grateful and they will be appreciating because this cooked is so nice for everyone.